boneless chicken thighs with mushrooms and in a wine sauce. Cuciniamo. Hey, good evening, everybody. This is Johnny V from Cuciniamo with Johnny V. Today, I am making some chicken thighs with some mushrooms, and I apologize, my Roomba or Shark remote vacuum is going off, but going to be making some chicken thighs in oil, butter, and some wine and chicken broth. I've floured the chicken breasts with salt, pepper, some onion powder, and paprika. And in the pan, I have some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and some butter that I'm melting down. And once this is melted down, I'm going to lightly brown the chicken thighs in the oil and butter, and then take them out, and then we'll start adding some other ingredients in. The butter is melted down. There's still some left to go. I'm going to add some, about 4 cloves of minced garlic. Spread that around. Not going to fry too long, just to infuse the oil with the garlic flavor. And then we're going to add in the chicken. I'm going to place these in the pan. I have 6 here. Okay, so I'm going to let them brown on each side. Turn them over and then take them out. Now I'm going to turn them over because they browned on one side. We're going to brown them on the other. It's kind of what it looks like brown. I don't know if you can see that. I know it's not up close, but we're going to turn them over and brown them on the other side and then remove them. So you don't want to cook them the whole way because we're going to put it back in after I add more stuff to this. Now I'm going to take them out of the frying pan, place them in a bowl. And now I'm going to add in some white wine. This is Pinot Grigio, again, my favorite Voga. We'll let that cook down. We're going to add in some chicken broth. I'm going to use half of this chicken broth, which is about 2 cups. Now I'm going to add in some mushrooms. These are mushroom slices. Some fresh parsley. Now that this is all added in here, we're going to let this boil a little bit, and then we're going to add in the chicken. This is boiling, so now I'm going to add the chicken back in. Stepping out of the way of the vacuum. Just going to put it in, turn it over. Just to make sure it's evenly coated, and the juices from the chicken just place back in. And then we're going to cover it and let it, I'm going to lower this to about half medium high and let it simmer in there for about 15 to 20 minutes, maybe even 30 minutes. But I'll check on it and I'll let you know how long I left it in there for. So the chicken cooked for about 20 minutes. And like I said, I put it on medium I think I told you medium high, but medium low. More like on my stove, I have it set at 5.0 on a scale of, I think, 10. It's an electric stove. So this is the chicken. It's cooked. I tested the internal temperature. It's about 192, so it's very cooked because the internal temperature should be at least 165, and the longer you cook it at a higher temperature, the more tender the chicken becomes. So I'm going to take this out, put it in a pan. Okay, so this is done. Put it in a little platter. I'm going to taste a little bit of it. I'm actually going to cut some off because we're not ready to eat yet. So I'm just going to cut a little piece. Put some of the mushrooms and then taste it out. It is fork tender, so you don't really need a knife. It is so good. I am making some potatoes with this, so it'll go well with that. But this is so good. Like I said, cooked thoroughly. Try it. You like it. Have a great one.